Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where these green lines here are coming from. And after today's movement, some updates certainly need to be made. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that played out perfectly today. I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook, but going into the day, right up there around 1560 was that area of support. But with the gap down, it was broken. And then you can see a couple of occasions this morning. That's right where the price got rejected. And then got somewhat close mid-afternoon. Not quite, but point here being 1560, not shocking to see that level act as resistance. So that'll definitely be the initial level to watch going forward. In the event the price can push up through that, then you'll want to watch that purple line there, the 50 period moving average. You can see, it's been very stubborn towards the price, and that's current value is at right around 1650. But I'm getting too far ahead of myself because first the price just needs to work its way back up to 1560 and break that. Now on the flip side of things, the very key dynamic going on right now is the price did technically break down through that other area of support that I talked about previously. But here's the thing with supports and resistance levels. They're not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with it. So for me personally, I'm still going to consider this a level of support. Now, if you want to say, no, Clay, it's broken above it, that has been violated. I wouldn't argue against that either. But my point is, and this is the big question that a lot of people are going to be watching and wondering going forward is this actually a true breakdown? So in other words, the further the price separates to the downside, that's just the more credibility that, yeah, this is a true breakdown, and now the bears are probably going to gain that much more momentum because that would symbolize another leg down of the downtrend. But like I said, possibly, maybe the price can just at least go sideways a little bit and then work its way back upwards. And then that would be, the idea there that range held as support. But the key dynamic is definitely, it's been violated, but is the price going to continue to separate to the downside, or can it hold strong? We'll see what happens with it, but those are going to be the key technical levels going into Friday. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.